spending a day in the life of the tribals of Satpura, all our teams are charged up. Chirag danced his heart out with the Shaitam dancers.
ये सब नया है मेरे लिए. I've never danced in my life.
And an outstanding performance by the Lightning challengers placed them on top. Panchmari, a small town known for its scenic beauty, magnificent waterfalls, majestic mountains. In today's episode of the Volvo XC Adventure, this is where our teams find themselves, twisted in a crossword puzzle. Will Arvind be able to use his skills as a writer to solve the puzzle? Will the Java explorers be able to complete the task with a shaken confidence? Good morning, good morning.
We were called to sit down at a nice table which was set out for us, and we were a little confused कि आज क्या होने वाला है. तो we thought maybe there's also a chance कि आज कोई और elimination हो.
Nice relaxed place.
Yeah.
We were all sitting, I think 3 on one side and 2 on the other side.
You know, you guys have been through a lot. We've driven you around in cities, pushed you a little bit in jungles, made you run a bit, sweat. So, bring you to a nice hill station, huh?
Lovely.
So, what about you, Arvind? How's your experience been here?
So far, wonderful. The weather is much better, much cooler.
Okay. What about you, Sakshi?
Yeah.
Keith came in, he offered us coffee, and then some biscuits came in. फिर लगा भाई ये कुछ गड़बड़ है, मतलब why is it so nice? Why is everything so pleasant and आराम से? दिमाग में बात तो चल रही थी कि भाई कुछ ना कुछ तो होने वाला है.
Give some sandwiches as well, yeah? We'll take a little.
I got suspicious when he said sandwiches. So I was like, wow.
पहले coffee, फिर biscuit, अब sandwich.
And then I saw them coming in with the clue cards. At least the back of it looked like the clue cards. And I was just like, oh no.
Well, let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that your sandwiches have arrived. So I don't know what you're waiting for because your clock has already started.
Keith said your time starts now, so we had to really hush up in solving puzzle.
I can see a bit of seriousness building up all of a sudden.
And it was a crossword. Crossword था, उसको fill करना था.
The crossword was describing the teams.
We were reading the clues and trying to figure out. फिर हमने सोचा कि इससे अच्छा let's just note down all the names.
Which team has someone who is still 21? Arvind is 21.
Okay, mate.
Is at home in this altitude.
L-I-G-H, lightning. L-I-G-H-T-I-N-G.
This name one lives by the sea and one on the hills.
Java explorers हम खुद ही है यार. JAVAESPLORE.
They've all been given crosswords which they need to solve as the day progresses, and at the very end, they will reach the last point, the close for today's episode.
R-E-R-S.
हमें midnight तो याद था, लेकिन second half याद ही नहीं था.
That's it?
Midnight thrillers.
It's finish your tea. Tea off at Old Flame. F-L-A-M-E.
Done. All the clues solved, and we'll be heading to the Old Flame Golf Course.
The first team to crack the crossword and leave the venue are the Midnight Thrillers. Prabal and Arvind are out for the game.
All खेलने यार. Old Flame. उस तरफ के इस तरफ.
Finish your tea to tee off at Mesopotamia.
All right, let's go.
Yeah. Teeing off is used in the golf course, so we are heading there.
Towards the golf course.
The crossword was fairly simple. The last one, which was pointing us to a location, was about a golf course. We got that right, and then we were off to find the golf course.
Finish your tea to tee off to Mandir Ahoy. I think it's about, finish your tea. It went something like finish your tea and tee off to the Mandir Ahoy.
The Lightning Challengers are our third team to leave the venue.
We went on with that. We thought we had to search for a golf club which had a mandir on it, which we found. We wasted all our time there. Allah sees you guys. Just pull over. Glenview Hotel कहाँ है? Golf course, military area सीधा है ना? बिल्कुल सीधा. Thank you.
Finish your tea to tee off from Khyber Pass.
Hey, there is a T. Golf has this thing, so we are heading to golf course.
Today, it's about crossword solving. Our team, the White Knights, who are usually on top of the game every day, this time are floundering. They are at the bottom. The Java Explorers are the fourth team, and they've already left the venue.
Pull over somewhere near shop. Okay, I will get down, I will ask, and then we will leave. Fine?
तो golf course किधर है इधर?
यहाँ पर नहीं, outside में है ये.
Golf course?
Golf course कितना दूर है यहाँ से?
कितना दूर है यहाँ से? कैसे जाना है?
Huh?
Thank you. Yeah, drive.
What's the trouble?
Not able to get the last name of
Midnight what? वो वर्ड एग्जैक्टली क्या है? आंसर पता था बट एग्जैक्ट वर्ड फिट नहीं हो रहा था क्रॉसवर्ड पजल में.
What do you seek when you're in a roller coaster?
Excitement.
Give me another word for excitement.
Thrillers.
Finally, we did end up doing it.
Yeah, correct. Thank you.
Thank you. क्रॉसवर्ड पजल कंप्लीट करने के बाद हमें सीधा गोल्फ कोर्स के लिए हेड करना था. एज सून एज हम मेन रोड पे आए, हमने लोगों को पूछा, कुछ लोगों को पता ही नहीं था कि गोल्फ कोर्स कहाँ है, क्या है.
This sector clue again.
Yeah, it's finish your tee at tee off at borderline.
Excuse me, यहाँ golf course किधर है?
Golf course, आप यहाँ से straight जाइए.
Yeah.
There's a pillar.
हाँ.
The Midnight Thrillers are looking for the tee off point Old Flame.
Right from there. Thank you very much.
टी ऑफ से हमें बस इतना ही पता था कि गोल्फ कोर्स पे जाना है, पर गोल्फ कोर्स पे जाके कहाँ जाना है वो नहीं पता था, तो उसको ढूंढने में हमें बहुत टाइम लगा.
तो यहाँ से सीधे straight and then
you have to take right turn.
alright.
Then left hand side में बोर्ड लगा हुआ.
अच्छा, alright, thank you.
I'm standing here at the Pachmari Golf Course. This is the first place that all the 5 teams need to get to in order to get their clues to solve their crossword and carry on with the adventure.
इससे पूछ मंदिर का.
सुनिए भैया,
ये मंदिर का है?
यही है सर, वो जो आर्मी वाले आते हैं यहीं खेलते हैं.
The Lightning Challengers are looking for the tee off point Mandir Ahoy.
it was very frustrating.
मंदिर वाले पार्ट पे ना हम अटक गए थे. मंदिर समझ आ रहा था, टी ऑफ नहीं समझ आ रहा था, अहोय नहीं समझ आ रहा था. So we did what we thought was the best thing, go to the मंदिर.
आपको पता है कि यहाँ पे कुछ क्लूज छिपा है?
ऐसा तो नहीं. अच्छा,
आपकी-
फौजी लोग आके गोल्फ यहीं खेलते हैं.
Okay, just let's go towards that end and see what happens.
हम यहाँ पे मध्य प्रदेश के टूरिज्म के रीजनल ऑफिस में भी चले गए. वहाँ से हमने मैप ले लिया. मैप में भी कहीं खाइबर पास नजर नहीं आया.
इससे पूछो साइकिल वाले से.
भाई साहब गोल्फ कोर्स किधर है?
गोल्फ कोर्स यहाँ से आगे जस्ट हम 7 क्रॉस से सामने दिख रहे हैं.
7 क्रॉस, थैंक यू.
वैसे रोड.
The White Knights are looking for the tee off point Borderline.
गोल्फ
golf का
पहला स्टार्ट लाइन.
Starting कहाँ से होता है?
यही है स्टार्टिंग लाइन.
Excuse me, sir. Can we ask you if there's a golf course over here?
आप यहीं से जाइए, आप जाएंगे 7 क्रॉस आएगा ना.
हाँ 7 क्रॉस आया. ठीक है.
ये चाइना बॉल से सेकंड वाला लो, वहाँ से आगे जाके
एक छोड़ के दूसरा वाला ले ले. आगे जाके राइट. थैंक यू भैया.
What was inside my mind was that this tee off point would be at the first hole. We were made to understand that every tee off point has a little sand pit with a board. भाग कर देख रहा हूँ, वो ओल्ड फ्लेम में लिखा हुआ है. क्या डम बंदे हैं हम.
Excuse me, गोल्फ कोर्स कहाँ पड़ेगा आर्मी एरिया का?
लेकिन जाना आपको इसी रास्ते से.
अच्छा.
The Sapphire Surfers are looking for the tee off point Mesopotamia.
मेसोपोटामिया नाम सुना है आपने पहले? See, we have 2 things here that don't add up. Tea and Mesopotamia. Right? Finish your tea. It says clearly, bang, finish your tea.
रास्ते में एक बोर्ड था. You know, उस बोर्ड के ऊपर लिखा हुआ था मेसोपोटामिया और नीचे मैप बना हुआ था. Wait. If there was a map like that called Mesopotamia, can there be a map like that called Mandir Ahoy?
पूरे गोल्फ कोर्स में खाइबर पास नाम का कोई है जगह? यहाँ पे.
Prohibited area, we'll see.
Borderline तो
Hawks
ये है.
shop.
That borderline.
Yeah.
Borderline is there.
Oh yeah, we didn't see early. See ya.
We have got the clue. We are here at borderline. Now we've got the second clue. It was a kind of phrasing,
Tricky question.
tricky in
Clue.
terms के मधुमक्खी का related something था. So then we asked somebody मधुमक्खी
नमस्ते
या bee के related
थोड़ा
कुछ है क्या, ऐसा जगह है यहाँ पे. तो he told us कि हाँ bee fall एक है.
Once they crack the code at the golf course, the Midnight Thrillers and the White Knights need to find their way here. This is Beefall. It's a beautiful and scenic location with the wonderful waterfall tumbling behind me. They need to get the clues from here and proceed to the final destination.
I suddenly noticed that one of the red boards has Old Flame written on it. मधुमक्खी गिरी घाटी में, पानी भर गया वादी में.
B Falls. I saw somewhere on this way tag written to reach B Falls. Let's go there. So we headed for the circle first, crossroads, where we can ask someone.
बी फॉल जाने के लिए राइट मुड़ना है, आगे जाकर
This one. This is मंदिर भाई.
Okay.
भाई दिल खुश हो गया देख के उसको. मैंने कहा चलो फाइनली पहला क्लू सॉल्व हुआ. वहाँ एक और क्लू कार्ड रखा हुआ था. किरणों का एक घर है, सूरज जहाँ पे जागे, थोड़ा कठिन है रास्ता, पहुँचो सबसे आगे. Is there a place nearby जहाँ लोग सनराइज देखने जाते हैं? Let's go in and ask.
Sunrise Point was a new thing for me. The first person we turned to was a guy who knew everything.
Excuse me, आप लोकल हैं? भाई उसको हमने पकड़ लिया कि भाई ये बताओ कि सनराइज पॉइंट कौन सा है. तो उसने बताया कि धूपगढ़. एंड धूपगढ़ फिट द बिल एग्जैक्टली. वहाँ पे फटाक से फिट हो गया. हाँ हाँ.
यहाँ है?
हाँ ये सनराइज है. यहाँ से 10 किलोमीटर.
नाम क्या है? नाम क्या है?
नाम देवेंद्र मेहरा.
आपका नहीं सर, उस जगह का. आपका नाम, मेरा नाम प्रेम है बाय द वे. हेलो. उस जगह का नाम क्या है?
उस जगह का नाम है सर धूपगढ़.
चलिए थैंक यू वेरी मच, आपने हमारी बहुत मदद करी.
Thank you so much.
I think over there's something.
There's one over there. Finally, we found Mesopotamia written on one of the boards. किरणों का एक घर है, सूरज जहाँ पे जागे, थोड़ा कठिन है रास्ता, पहुँचो सबसे आगे.
गाड़ी लेके नहीं जा सकते थे गोल्फ कोर्स के अंदर, सो वी हैव टू पार्क इट आउटसाइड समवेयर इन अ सेफ पोजीशन. भागते चले गए. फिर हम लोगों ने ढूंढा, इधर ढूंढा, 4-5 जगह ढूंढा. एकदम लास्ट में कोने में जाके रखा था खाइबर पास, तो हमें मिला. वहाँ से क्लू हम लोगों ने जल्दी सॉल्व कर लिए थे.
We finally got our second clue, and second clue was fairly easy for us. We knew where we had to go, and that was Dhupgarh.
किरणों का एक घर है. धूपगढ़. Kiran, Dhupgarh is the highest peak in this region.
लिख धूपगढ़.
I'm standing here at the spectacular Dhupgarh. This is the sunrise point. 3 teams come here from the golf course to get their final clue.
Chalo, tab tak we'll release map for Dhupgarh. They're already on their way to Dhupgarh, man.
We reached the point, the B-fall point. The moment we reached there, we were the first team to reach there, and we were quite surprised and happy.
Presiding over India, first after freedom, I planted a tree here on a scenic hillock.
Seeing the place, seeing where we had to ultimately reach to get the next clue.
Freedom के बाद किसी ने वहाँ पे पेड़ लगाया था.
कोई राजेंद्र गिरी पॉइंट है 1953 में. डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद जी जब सॉफ्ट लैब के लिए पचमढ़ी में आए थे, उनका अस्थमा का प्रॉब्लम था, तो उन्होंने एक बड़ का पेड़ लगाया था. क्या वो बड़ का?
वो जगह कौन सा है?
राजेंद्र गिरी.
We found the right person to ask and we got the clue sorted. Now we are heading out towards Rajendra Giri.
First after freedom, I planted a tree here on a scenic hillock.
मैप में देखना राजेंद्र गिरी किधर है.